front of me is HONOR Magic4 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can install and then apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. You need to start by opening Play Store and installing Magic Fluids app from Mad Scientist developer. When it's ready, click on Open. Now you need to click on those three lines at the bottom right corner and choose Settings at the top. After that, select I accept in this pop-up and adjust all wallpaper settings however you want to. When you're finished, you need to click on the top right corner and then bottom one again. This time, click on Set as Live Wallpaper over here, choose Apply, and now when I swipe up and click on Home button, as you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!